Hello, welcome to today's JavaScript lesson. Today, we're going to detect whether a user has scrolled to the bottom of a page. This can help trigger actions like infinite scroll or lazy loading. Let's jump into the logic and code for making it work. Let's get started. This function helps identify when the user has reached the bottom of a page. We check if the total scroll amount and the visible area equals or exceeds the total document height. Let's break down the implementation together. It is surprisingly short and effective. This single line function checks if the bottom of the page is visible. We add the scroll position, scrollY, to the visible viewport height, client height. Then, we compare it to the total height of the page, scroll height. If the condition is true, it means we are at the bottom. Here's how it all comes together. The visible area plus the scrolled amount tells us where the user is on the page. If that's at or past the total page height, we know they've hit the bottom. This can be used to load more content, show messages, or track user engagement. Let's look at some practical values. If the scrolled amount plus viewport height is greater than or equal to total content height, we return true. Otherwise, if it is false, this lets us check page state quickly without external libraries. Knowing if a user hits the bottom unlocks a lot of interaction power. Think of Instagram or Twitter's endless feeds. They rely on this. It is also useful for triggering animations or measuring engagement. Let's wrap up the key points from today's script. This one-liner is a great utility found in any front-end toolkit. By checking scroll position and viewport height, you can create dynamic experiences. Try combining this with event listeners to make your page interactive. Thanks for tuning in. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.